Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about saving money and my thoughts on saving and tips that will help you start saving money. So my first tip would be to tell yourself that you're a saver. Tell yourself that I can easily save. I can save this amount of money. I know that I can save and hold that savings in an account without spending it, without touching it. And just having that mindset that you're not going to touch that savings and that you're going to hold yourself and be disciplined enough to keep that savings there and not touching it is so empowering. It's such a good way of control over your money, and that you feel in control when you have that savings and you stick to your goal savings, Okay, so tip number 2 would be to automate your savings. This really helped me in the beginning when I first started saving. I would just put, I think I had like $25 I would just save every month. But once that started building up, then I just wanted to keep saving more. So every paycheck, I would put something in my savings account. I would save first and then pay my bills later. So number 2 would be automate / pay, or save first, or like pay it yourself first. Like put your savings in your account first and then pay your bills. So that's number 1 would be tell yourself you're a saver, and then number 2 would be automate / pay yourself first, or save first. Yeah, save first would be number 2 / automate your savings. Tip number 3 would be identify your spending triggers. So for me, I think my spending triggers were online shopping. It really is. It's not good. Especially since whenever I was in college, I didn't have a car, so the only way to spend money and go out and spend money was on online shopping. Yeah, not good. But that's so short story. Since I didn't have a car of all of college, it really helped me start saving money because I didn't have anywhere to go to spend all that money. You know what I mean? So number 3 is to identify your spending triggers. Some people, I think it's their spending triggers is going out to eat a lot. Mine was online shopping. I know I've had a few friends that their spending triggers were shopping, just in general, like clothes shopping. So there's that. Let me see. It was number 3. Number 4 is to start slow. So, like I said, I started off with like $25 a month in my savings account, and that slowly built up and progressed into me wanting to save every week. And now it's built up even more and more. So I think, yeah, like every week I'll save something. That's how it is now for me. I'll save something out of every paycheck. I'll save something. All right. And then I think number 5 for my savings, to make savings fun. So when I wanted to start saving more money, I made it fun. So what I ended up doing is I did a $5 the $5 challenge you have like on Pinterest, I think it is. I think I found that on. So you just save $5 every week or so, and you just put it in a jar. So that's what I did, but I didn't put it in a jar. I put it like in an envelope, and I saved $5 every week, and I saved it for a year, and I ended up saving, I can't even remember how much I saved. I think I saved like $500. Yeah, it was a while back that I did that, but yeah, so make savings fun. I know there's a ton of different saving challenges you can do that are on Pinterest. even here on YouTube, you can make savings fun. So that is the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I think next week I'm going to do my 2020 February update, net worth update video. And I'm already planning on some more videos and more things for y'all for future videos. And I also just want to give a disclaimer. I am still trying to get a little bit more comfortable with the camera, trying to figure out how to work the camera, all that stuff. I'm also trying to really work on my closing out on videos because I know the last one was not good. Anyways, so I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!